Hello students, today we are going to see here another chapter from organic chemistry, that is aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. First of all, we will see the definition of carbonyl compounds. Then after that we will see the definition of aldehydes, ketones and then carboxylic acids. Now first of all, what are carbonyl compounds? Now see this, the group is like this, C double bond O group. Such type of the group it is known as carbonyl group. Now here there are 4 valencies to this carbon atom. Out of that 4 valencies, see here, 2 valencies of that carbon atom are already completed by or attached to this oxygen atom, and now these 2 remaining vacant valencies, आता जे 2 व्हॅलन्सीज आहेत ते कशाला अटॅच आहेत त्याच्यावरती मग अल्डिहाइड्स, कीटोन्स आणि कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड्स त्या डेफिनेशन्स डिपेंड आहेत. नाउ द कंपाउंड्स विच कंटेन्स सच टाइप ऑफ द ग्रुप, दैट इज सी डबल बॉन्ड ग्रुप, कार्बोनिल ग्रुप, दैट कंपाउंड्स आर नोन एज कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड्स. Aldehydes, now these aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, all these 3 classes, they contain carbonyl group in their structure. Here compounds containing carbon oxygen double bond, here carbon oxygen double bond, or that is known as carbonyl group, are known as carbonyl compounds. Here I have drawn the structure of RC double bond OR. It is a दोन्ही जर अल्किल ग्रुप असतील तर दॅट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ कीटोन. हा सी डबल बॉन्ड ग्रुप आहे, हा कार्बन आहे, हा कार्बन ऑक्सिजन, कार्बोनिल. This carbon atom, it is known as carbonyl carbon, it is known as carbonyl oxygen, and totally this complete C double bond group is known as carbonyl group. इथे दाखवलेलं आहे C कार्बोनिल कार्बन, ऑक्सिजन कार्बोनिल ऑक्सिजन, आणि दोघांना एकत्रित कार्बोनिल ग्रुप असं म्हणायचे. बोथ अल्डिहाइड्स अँड कीटोन्स कंटेनिंग अ कार्बोनिल ग्रुप ॲज अ फंक्शनल ग्रुप. अल्डिहाइड्स आणि कीटोन्समध्ये दोघांमध्ये कार्बोनिल ग्रुप आहे. फक्त त्या जे 2 व्हॅलन्सीज आहेत, या वॅकंट व्हॅलन्सीज जे आहेत या कशा कंप्लीट होतात त्याच्यावरती अल्डिहाइड आहे का कीटोन आहे ते डिपेंड असतं. नाउ व्हॉट आर अल्डिहाइड्स? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल सी नाउ द डेफिनेशन ऑफ अल्डिहाइड्स, अँड देन आफ्टर दॅट विल सी द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ अल्डिहाइड्स. नाउ व्हॉट आर अल्डिहाइड्स? In aldehydes, carbonyl carbon is bonded to one hydrogen atom and one alkyl or aryl group. See this one now. It is a structure of carbonyl group, C double bond O. If this carbonyl group is attached to one hydrogen atom like this, and here one hydrogen atom and another is alkyl group, means R. Instead of this R we can take here methyl, ethyl, N-propyl, isopropyl, alkyl ग्रुपची लिस्ट तुमच्याकडे आहे. ही सगळी एक्झाम्पल्स एक्सेप्ट फॉर्माल्डिहाइड. फॉर्माल्डिहाइडमध्ये मात्र आपण आरच्या ऐवजी अल्किल ग्रुप घ्यावा असा आहे. बट इन केस ऑफ फॉर्माल्डिहाइड वी हॅव टू टेक हिअर हायड्रोजन ॲटम, दॅट इज इन्स्टेड ऑफ दिस आर. फॉर एक्झाम्पल CH3, CH double bond, it is an example of aldehyde, it is acetaldehyde. Here it means that this carbonyl group is attached to hydrogen atom and alkyl group, or this carbonyl group it is attached to hydrogen atom and also attached to an aryl group. Aryl means benzene ring structure like this. CHO means C6H5CH double bond O, or we can write the structure like this also. CC6H5 means benzene ring structure, then it is attached to this C6H5CHO. It is aromatic aldehyde. It is and the name of this compound is, it is benzaldehyde, aromatic aldehyde. Now aldehydes, you have to remember here the compounds in which this C double bond group means carbonyl group is attached to hydrogen atom and alkyl or aryl group. That type of the compounds are known as aldehydes. They contain such type of the group that is common in all aldehydes. It is known as aldehyde group, or it is also known as formyl group as a functional group. They contain CHO, that is CHO, formyl group as a functional group. They are represented by general formula. Alkyl group ला आपण R ने डिनोट करतो म्हणून RCH double bond O or CnH2nO, where N is equal to number of carbon atoms. कार्बन जर कार्बनची संख्या जर 2 असेल तर इथे H2n मीन्स 2 × 2 4 O. कार्बनच्या दुप्पट हायड्रोजन असतील आणि एक ऑक्सिजन असेल असं CnH2nO. It is regarding about the definition of aldehydes. Then classification of aldehydes. First of all, we will see the definition of we will see the classification of aliphatic aldehydes. Aliphatic aldehydes means RCHO. R म्हणजे alkyl group असला पाहिजे. Aliphatic aldehydes. CHO group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. What are aliphatic aldehydes? Except formaldehyde. For example, general form. What are aliphatic aldehydes? The compounds in which this carbonyl group is attached to hydrogen atom and an alkyl group. sp3 hybridized alkyl group means अशा कार्बनला अटॅच असला पाहिजे की त्या कार्बनचे तिन्ही बॉन्ड हे सिंगल बॉन्डनं कंप्लीट झालेले पाहिजे. म्हणजे हा sp3 हायब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन आहे, त्याला अलिफॅटिक आल्डिहाइड सुद्धा म्हणतात. और alkyl group, we can say alkyl group also. Carbonyl group is attached to hydrogen atom and sp3 hybridized carbon atom or any alkyl group. Such type of the compounds are known as aliphatic aldehydes. Classification: aldehydes are classified as aliphatic aldehydes. Aliphatic aldehydes. In aliphatic aldehydes, carbon is attached to carbonyl carbon, means this carbon atom is attached to hydrogen atom and sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Then another group is, they are also known as aromatic aldehydes. Already I have taken here example, that is ARCHO. It is aromatic aldehyde. Here is benzaldehyde is the example of aromatic aldehyde. It means that aromatic aldehydes are those compounds in which this formyl group or this C double bond O carbonyl group is attached to one of the hydrogen atom and this group is attached to benzene ring structure or aromatic ring, directly attached to the aromatic ring nucleus like this. Or we can write like this. This much part means C6H5 CH double bond O benzaldehyde, or we can draw here this CHO group here at any position of this benzene ring structure like this also. C6H5 आपण नेहमी असं रिप्रेझेंट करतोय, असं चालतं, असं लिहिलं तरी चालतं, कुठल्याही एका पोझिशनला हा CHO ग्रुप अटॅच असला पाहिजे. and it is benzaldehyde. It means that aromatic aldehydes are those compounds in which this formyl group or CHO group is directly attached to the benzene ring structure. That type of the aldehydes are known as aromatic aldehydes. For example, it is benzaldehyde. Then another example, if here is benzaldehyde, here is a aldehyde group is there, and here ortho position there is a hydroxy. Such type of the compounds are known as salicylaldehyde. It is also substituted aromatic aldehyde. Aldehyde आहे benzaldehyde, हा OH group त्याच्यामध्ये एक substituent आहे. And such type of the aldehydes in which aldehyde with this formyl group is directly attached to the benzene ring are known as aromatic aldehyde. Here side chain aromatic aldehydes are also there. Another class of that aromatic aldehydes is side chain aromatic aldehydes. The aldehydes in which side chain aromatic aldehydes, aldehyde group is attached to side chain are also known as aromatic aldehydes or side chain aromatic aldehydes. For example, it is a benzene ring structure. Another here aldehyde group is there, CH double bond aldehyde group आहे. हा जर इथं बेंझिन रिंगला डायरेक्ट अटॅच असता तर बेंझाल्डेहाइड तयार झालं असतं, पण मध्ये एक ग्रुप आहे CH2, म्हणजे हा साईड चेन झाली आता ही. याला सुद्धा aromatic aldehydes म्हणायचं, but they are also known as side chain aromatic aldehydes or aromatic aldehydes. In such aldehydes, aldehyde group is attached to the side chain of the side chain, attached to the side chain are also known as aromatic aldehydes. It is here now, it is carbon number 1, it is carbon number 2, it is 2-phenyl ethanol. Common IUPAC name of this structure is 2-phenyl ethanol. Another structure is there, one more structure I have taken here. CH, here is aldehyde group and it is CH3, it is carbon number 1, 2, 3. It is, there is a phenyl group is present at carbon number 2, it is 2-phenyl propion aldehyde. Propion aldehyde जर लिहिलं तर हे कॉमन नेम होईल, or it is 2-phenyl propanol. 2-phenyl propanol is the IUPAC name. मीन्स aromatic aldehydes दोन टाईप, डायरेक्ट aldehyde ग्रुप अटॅच असतो बेंझिन रिंगला किंवा थ्रो साईड चेन, त्याला साईड चेन aromatic aldehyde सुद्धा म्हणतात. नाव इट इज रिगार्डिंग अबाउट द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ aldehydes. नाव we will go for the ketones, definition of ketones and then classification of ketones. What are ketones? Here what are ketones? Give their classification. in ketones, now see here, in ketones, carbonyl carbon is bonded to two alkyl groups, two similar or different alkyl or aryl groups. They contain C double bond O. Keto or oxo is a functional group. They are represented by general formula R C double bond O R. For example, acetone, ethyl methyl ketone. Here now, C double bond O group is there again here. इथे H असेल, alkyl group असेल, aldehyde झालं. If this carbonyl carbon means this carbon atom. If this carbonyl carbon atom is attached to both alkyl groups, they may be similar or different. R dash means different. Like this, R C double bond O R. It is this structure. It indicates both alkyl groups are similar. R lily methyl. R dash that indicates these two alkyl groups, they are differ from each other. Carbonyl carbon atom, the compounds in which carbonyl carbon atom is attached to two similar or different alkyl groups or aryl groups, AR or one aryl or one alkyl group. Such type of the compounds are known as ketones. Such type of the compounds are known as ketones. For example, now we can see here now CH3 C double bond O CH3. It is acetone. दोन्ही अल्किल ग्रुप सारखे झाले. हिअर नाउ C2H5 C double bond O CH3. It is ethyl methyl ketone. These two alkyl groups, they are different from each other. Therefore these two alkyl groups are different from each other. Therefore it is an example of unsymmetrical or mixed ether. It is simple ether, sorry, it is simple ketone, it is mixed ketone. आणि दोन्ही जर alkyl group aryl group जर असतील, असे जर असतील C6H5 C double bond O C6H5, it is known as benzophenone. कीटोनच्या नावामध्ये शेवटी ON येतच, बेन्झोफिनोन. or it is also known as diphenyl ketone, benzophenone or diphenyl ketone. Or if there is a one alkyl group and one aryl group like this, C double bond group is here, it is aryl group, and if it is attached to the alkyl group like this, it is known as acetophenone. Or it is methyl phenyl ketone. It is methyl group, another is phenyl group, methyl phenyl ketone. All these are nothing but examples of ketones. From these examples we can define the ketones like this. The carbonyl compounds in which carbonyl group is attached to two different alkyl groups, two similar or different alkyl or aryl groups are known as ketones. They contain remaining part, this part C double bond group that remains as it is, therefore it is a functional group. It is known as oxo group or keto group. They contain keto or oxo group as a functional group. They are again represented by general formula CnH2nO, where N is equal to number of carbon atoms. For example, CH3 C double bond O CH3 acetone or propanone, C2H5 CH3 C double bond O, that is ethyl methyl ketone. Now classification is very simple. Now here classification of ketones: simple ketones and symmetrical ketones. Simple ketones or symmetrical ketones. Here ethyl methyl ketone CH3C CH3 C double bond O. If these two alkyl groups are similar, both similar alkyl groups are attached to the carbonyl carbon atom, are known as simple ketones. And it is example of simple ketone is dimethyl ketone. It is dimethyl ketone. If I have taken here one more example, C2H5 C double bond O C2H5 means diethyl ketone. Like this. These are the examples of simple ketones. Mixed ketones means these two alkyl groups which are attached to this carbonyl carbon, they are different from each other. Like this. For example, C2H5 C double bond O CH3, it is ethyl methyl ketone. Here different alkyl groups are attached to the carbonyl carbon atom. C2H5 C double bond O CH3 ethyl methyl ketone. मला वाटतं मी तुम्हाला 11वी मध्ये सुद्धा हे सगळं क्लासिफिकेशन दिलेलं आहे. Then similar to that of aromatic aldehydes, aromatic ketones are also there. Like this. One or both aryl groups are attached to the carbonyl carbon. This is carbonyl carbon atom. If both aryl groups are attached to this carbonyl carbon atom, then we will get the structure like this. It is benzophenone. It is benzophenone or diphenyl ketone. or it is diphenyl ketone. Or here this, if this C double bond group is attached to one of the phenyl ring structure, here benzene, and another to this aromatic ring structure, and it is alkyl group and it is aromatic structure. It is acetophenone. Name of this compound is, common name is acetophenone, and it is also known as methyl phenyl ketone. It is methyl group, it is phenyl group, methyl phenyl ketone. It is regarding about the classification and definition of aromatic ketones. Here then after that it is regarding about the definition of aldehydes, ketones, and now then carboxylic acids. What are carboxylic acid? That after our chapter, that is divided into again here 3 parts: aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Yes, या तिघांमध्ये हा कार्बोनिल ग्रुप आहे. C double bond group is present in aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Now here such type of the C double bond group, carbonyl group is present in all aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic. In carboxylic acid, this carbonyl carbon is bonded to, हा जो carbonyl carbon आहे हा कशाला bonded आहे? It is bonded to hydroxyl group, means OH group, and an alkyl or aryl group. Alkyl group attached झाला तर असं स्ट्रक्चर तयार होईल, or like this AR C double bond OH. These are aromatic acids. It is aromatic acid and it is aliphatic acid. Aliphatic acids. Now what are carboxylic acids? The compounds in which carbonyl carbon, this one, is attached to hydroxyl group and alkyl or aryl group are known as carboxylic acids. In aldehydes, carbonyl group is attached to hydrogen atom and alkyl group. In ketones, carbonyl group is attached to both alkyl or aryl groups, like that. Now here they contain C double bond OH, this much part that remains constant and it is a functional group. They contain carboxyl group as a functional group, and they are represented by general formula R C double bond OH or CnH2n plus 2 CnH2n O2. O च्या ऐवजी इथं O2 येतं. aldehydes ketones मध्ये फक्त O होतं, इथं O2 येतं. And here the examples are, instead of this R, suppose we have taken here H C double bond OH, CH3 C double bond OH, it is acetic acid. I have taken here example also here. See here CH3COH acetic acid, CH3CH2OH propionic acid. Now classification of carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids on the basis of number of COH groups. COH ग्रुपच्या संख्येवरून, जसं की मोनोहायड्रिक अल्कोहोल्स, डायहायड्रिक अल्कोहोल्स, ट्रायहायड्रिक अल्कोहोल्स आपण अल्कोहोल्सचं क्लासिफिकेशन केलं होतं 1 2 3 OH ग्रुपवरती. तसं इथं COH ग्रुप जर एक असेल, मोनोकार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड्स, dicarboxylic acids, monocarboxylic acids, they contain only one carboxyl group. For example, CH3 C double bond OH, only one CH3COH, acetic acid, it is an example of monocarboxylic acid. If they contain 2 carboxylic acid groups like this, see this one, C double bond OH, असा एक ग्रुप, तो दुसऱ्या पुन्हा C double bond OH ला अटॅच आहे, याला आपल्याला असं लिहिता येतं COOH, it is known as oxalic acid. आणि समजा 2 कार्बनच्या ऐवजी जर 3 कार्बन जर आले, इथं मध्ये एक CH2 ग्रुप जर आपण अटॅच केला तर असं स्ट्रक्चर तयार होतं. COOH CH2 COOH, it is known as malonic acid. आणि इथं आणखी कार्बन वाढला, ग्लुटारिक ॲसिड. या अशी 4 ते 5 एक्झाम्पल. डू यू नो असं तुमच्या पुस्तकामध्ये बॉक्स दिलेले, ते तुम्हाला वाचायचे. त्या बॉक्समध्ये याची आणखीन काही एक्झाम्पल्स दिलेली, ती सुद्धा तुम्हाला एक्झाम्पल्स आली पाहिजेत, पाठ असली पाहिजेत. Here these 2 are the examples of dicarboxylic acids because they contain 2 COH groups. Now tricarboxylic acids, they contain 3 COH groups. Here now CH2 COH, here again CH COOH, here is OH group is there again, and here CH2 COOH, like this 1 2 3. And the name of this compound is, it is citric acid, or we can say also say citric acid. It is present in citrus fruits, it is present in lemon. It is citric acid. It is an example of tricarboxylic acid because it contains 3 COOH groups in this structure, in their structure. Therefore, it is an example of tricarboxylic acid. Citric acid is an example of tricarboxylic acid. That is on the basis of number of that is regarding about the classification of acids, carboxylic acids on the basis of number of COH groups. Now then, what are aromatic carboxylic acids? Aromatic carboxylic acids means the compounds in which this C double bond OH groups, carboxylic acid, this carboxylic group is directly attached to the benzene ring structure, are known as aromatic carboxylic acids. It is known as benzoic acid. The name of this compound is benzoic acid. Here it means that the compounds in which such type of the COH group is directly attached to this benzene ring are known as aromatic acids. It is benzoic acid. I have taken here some more examples. Again here, if such type of the 2 COH group they may be attached to this benzene ring, that is known as phthalic acid. COH group they are present at an adjacent positions. सलगच्या पोझिशन्स ते असायला पाहिजे, कुठल्या दोन पोझिशनला काढा, आणि मध्ये जर एका पोझिशनचा गॅप असेल दॅट नोन एज आयसोफ्थॅलिक ॲसिड. देन हिअर OCOCH3 ग्रुप, इथं OCOCH3 ग्रुप आहे, इथं COH ग्रुप आहे, याला म्हणतात द नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाऊंड इज ॲसिटिलिक ॲसिड. इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज ॲस्पिरिन. ओके सर. नाव लॅक्टिक ॲसिड, ऑलरेडी मी तुम्हाला ऑप्टिकल ॲक्टिव्हिटी स्ट्रक्चर दिलेलं लॅक्टिक ॲसिडचं. दॅट लॅक्टिक ॲसिड इज प्रेझेंट इन कर्ड. Citric acid is present in citrus fruits like lemon. Acetic acid is present in vinegar that is used as a preservative. That vinegar contains acetic acid. Now nomenclature of aldehydes, the nomenclature of aldehydes, the nomenclature of carboxylic acids, and then nomenclature of ketones. Now first of all we see nomenclature of aldehydes. Now common name system. मी ऑलरेडी तुम्हाला हे 11वीमध्ये शिकवलेले 11वीची नोटबुक काढायची आणि त्यामध्ये सगळे हे रूल्स लिहून काढायचे, एक्झाम्पल्स लिहून काढायचे. अकॉर्डिंग टू कॉमन नेम सिस्टीम, कॉमन नेम्स ऑफ द कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड इज common names of an aldehydes are given from carboxylic acids. Only the IC acid word is replaced by the aldehyde. And according to common name method, to denote the position of substituents, we have to use the letters, Greek letters like alpha, beta, and gamma. Here, according to IUPAC system, we have to select the longest continuous carbon chain as a parent alkane. We have to start the numbering from aldehyde group, and then finally we have to replace the ending E with AL. म्हणजे हे अल्केन जो असतो नावामधला, या अल्केनच्या ऐवजी ईच्या ऐवजी ई येईल, म्हणजे हे असं होईल तर अल्कॅनल. देअरफोर aldehydes according to IUPAC system, aldehydes are also known as alkanals. ईच्या ऐवजी AL येतं. मिथॅनल, इथॅनल, प्रोपॅनल असं नाव होईल. त्या इथं दिलेलं सगळं. आणि काही हे सगळे रूल्स तुमच्याकडं आता तुमच्या 11वीच्या वहीमधले सगळे रूल्स तिथं मी शॉर्टमध्ये दिलेत, तुम्हाला ते सगळे 11वीच्या नोटबुकमधून लिहून काढायचे. ती नोटबुकमध्ये एक्झाम्पल्स लिहा आणि इथं काही एक्झाम्पल्स दिलेत मी. मग आता इथं स्ट्रक्चर कॉमन नेम CH2 डबल बॉन्ड हो, याचं आता फॉर्माल्डिहाइड इट इज अ कॉमन नेम ऑफ एन अल्डिहाइड. हे कशापासून आलं आहे? एक कार्बन असणाऱ्या ॲसिडचं नाव होतं फॉर्मिक ॲसिड. ते फॉर्मिक ॲसिड नाव कशापासून आलं? दॅट इज फ्रॉम द सोर्स म्हणजे दॅट इज फाउंड इन रेड अँड्स, दॅट इज नोन ॲज फॉर्मिका. त्या फॉर्मिकापासून फॉर्माल्डिहाइड वर्ड आला होता. फॉर्मिक ॲसिड आणि आयसी ॲसिडच्या अल्डिहाइड झाल्यामुळे झालं फॉर्माल्डिहाइड. हिअर मिथॅनल इज द IUPAC नेम. अल्कॅनल, here is in this structure there is only one carbon atom, therefore parent alkane is methane. E is replaced by Al, therefore the IUPAC name of the structure is methanol. Then CH3CHO acetaldehyde, ethanol IUPAC name. Propanaldehyde, propanol. 4 carbon atoms are there, that is butyraldehyde, common name. Then butanol. If there is a one methyl group on the second carbon atom, but totally there are 4 carbon atoms, therefore it is known as isobutyraldehyde. Or we can say here it is alpha carbon atom, it is beta carbon atom. Alpha methyl propionaldehyde according to common name method. Or 1, 2, 3 on the second carbon atom there is methyl group, therefore it is 2 methyl propanol. Here if you suppose such type of the unsaturated aldehyde is there, CH2 double bond CHCHO, unsaturated carbon double bond is there. Common name is acrolein and IUPAC name is prop. We have to denote the position of this double bond. 1, 2, 3 it is present in carbon number second and third. We have to denote the position of double bond with lowest number, therefore it is prop 2 in Al. It is दोन अल्डिहाइडचे ग्रुप आपण अटॅच केलेले CHO ऑक्झॅल अल्डिहाइड दॅट इज कॉमन नेम ऑर इट इज ऑल्सो नोन ॲज ग्लायऑक्झॉल अँड हिअर इथेन दोन कार्बन असल्यावर पॅरेंट अल्केन इथेन झालं. दोन अल्डिहाइड ग्रुप असल्यावर डायअल. एक गोष्ट मात्र लक्षात ठेवायची, दोन अल्डिहाइड ग्रुप असतील किंवा दोन कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड ग्रुप असतील तर पॅरेंट अल्केनच्या नावामधलं ई मात्र रिप्लेस होत नाही. दॅट रिमेन्स ॲज इट इज ETHEN. ईच्या ऐवजी एल नाही लिहायचं, ई दॅट रिमेन्स ॲज दॅट इज टू बी रिटेन्ड. इथेन डायल. then it is aromatic aldehyde, benzaldehyde, C6H5CHO. According to EPC, it is known as benzaldehyde or benz carbaldehyde. It is orthotolualdehyde. हा झाला बेन्झाल्डिहाइड, पण हा CH3 ग्रुप जर असेल बेन्झिन त्याला टोलिन म्हणतात. हा अल्डिहाइड ग्रुप आहे म्हणजे ऑर्थोटोलुआल्डिहाइड. और इट इज 2-methyl. It is carbon number 1, it is carbon number 2, therefore it is 2-methyl benzaldehyde. Again here 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde, 1 2 3 like this, 4 5. Second position la 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde. Common name is salicylaldehyde. Here benzene 1,2 dicarbaldehyde. Benzene 1,2 दोन्ही पोझिशनला अल्डिहाइड ग्रुप आहे म्हणून बेंझिन 1,2 dicarbaldehyde. IUPAC नेम इट इज नोन ॲज थॅलाल्डिहाइड. थॅलिक ॲसिडपासून थॅलाल्डिहाइड झालं. इट इज सायक्लोहेक्झेन अल्डिहाइड कॉमन नेम and it is cyclohexane carbaldehyde is the IUPAC name of this structure. Remaining part, that is nomenclature of acids and ketones, that much part we will discuss in the next period. Today we stop here. Thank you.